let's cover some really poor coding I did when making this latest prototype. Alright, let's get into it. Hey, while you're here, do me a favor and hit like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. So I'm going to tell you a story about this guy, whose job is to, well, I mean, it's pretty obvious, right? That he's supposed to go find food for his tribe. That leads us to today's game dev problem and solution. Food Guy, as seen here in Unity, searches for all game objects of type resource, like so. Here, he's looking for that good cheese, and targets the nearest. Here's the code that lets that happen. This works well when there aren't too many. Like this, for example. Well, now there's quite a few, aren't there? And so it begins to break down. It's not great if you call search often or there are many resources. So what's our solution? Resource nodes. So how am I going to use these resource nodes to solve this problem? Well, what I'm thinking is that instead of having the character do a search by type and find every resource in the game and then compare the distances from himself to go to the nearest, instead it'll look at these nodes. Say there are 10 of them across the map where resources are spawned. It can check the node and it can check the type of resource that is stashed there to make sure it's actually what it's looking for, and then it can compare the distances. And this way, instead of finding dozens or hundreds or thousands of game objects, it finds these spawn points, checks what's there, what type of resource, and then checks the distance and compares it. Super short and super sweet today. I'm working on a video from Bracky's 2022.2 Game Jam that I just participated in. My entry is out on itch. It is called The Summer Lake if you want to give it a try, but that devlog will be out later this week. Thanks for watching.